Today I want to tell you guys about what it is for me to be a maker. For me, it's something that I live and breathe every single day. Not a day goes by when I'm not making or crafting or creating something. And it's a part of my DNA to craft and mold and shape and make something out of what seemingly is nothing in my mind. Whether I'm photographing or filming or making something, whether it's candles or woodworking or anything else that I can come up with, I have to create, and it is a part of who I am, and it just makes me come alive when I see something that I thought up in my head and sometimes feel like I'm crazy for thinking it, for it to come into being, into existence with my own two hands. And this sums up what the life of a maker, what the life of a creator is it's someone that just every fiber of their being lives and breathes creating and making and forming and shaping, and it's a part of who you are, and you can't help it but bring those things to life. And it might even be just for yourself, but a lot of times it's an incredible journey to see it go from something that is just for you and then all of a sudden is a blessing and a gift to the world around you. To see how other people's lives can be changed through such a simple act of making something. And this is why life is better when you make stuff.